When it comes to purchasing a reliable SUV, choosing the right model can save you thousands in repair costs and ensure years of worry-free driving. Some SUVs are engineered for exceptional durability, requiring minimal maintenance even after surpassing 2 lakh miles. In contrast, picking the wrong vehicle could lead to frequent breakdowns, expensive warranties, and soaring insurance premiums. As an expert in automotive reliability, I've compiled a list of the top 10 reliable SUVs for 2025 that combine low maintenance costs, robust warranties, and long-term dependability. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more car deals and reviews. Number 1. Honda CRV. The Honda CRV stands out as one of the most reliable SUVs in the compact segment, delivering unmatched value and durability. Priced from approximately $31,000 to $42,000 for hybrid trims, the CRV is a cost-effective choice for long-term ownership. According to RepairPal, annual maintenance costs average just $410, the lowest among compact SUVs. Its naturally aspirated engines and smooth, continuously variable transmission are designed for longevity, with many owners reporting over 2 LAC miles with only routine maintenance. The hybrid models further enhance fuel efficiency without compromising reliability. The CRV comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and it usually doesn't need big repairs. Its widespread parts availability and Honda's extensive U.S. service network make it a top pick for drivers seeking a reliable SUV with minimal ownership costs. The CRV features a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 190 horsepower or a 2-liter hybrid powertrain, 204 horsepower combined, offering smooth performance and excellent fuel economy. Number 2. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is a reliable luxury SUV that handles both everyday driving and off-road conditions with ease. It starts at about $66,185 and is built on the same durable platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, which adds to its long-term strength. It features a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and powerful driving. The full-time 4-wheel drive system offers consistent performance, making it suitable for various road conditions while maintaining comfort and dependability. Annual maintenance costs are around $770, which is relatively low for a vehicle in this class. Many owners report going beyond 250,000 miles with minimal issues. Since it shares parts with Toyota, repairs tend to be easier and more affordable. The Lexus GX includes a 4-year or 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering strong coverage for long-term ownership. Number 3. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 gives a high-end feel without the expensive upkeep, making it a smart and reliable choice. It is priced between $29,000 and $40,000 and offers a stylish design at an affordable cost. Maintenance costs are low, about $500 a year, much cheaper than many rivals. Its 2.5-liter engines, either naturally aspirated with 187 horsepower or turbocharged with up to 256 horsepower, are built to last, with many owners reaching over 200,000 miles with routine care. It has strong reliability ratings from trusted sources like Consumer Reports, and its simple design helps keep repair costs low. The CX-5 comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. It uses a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and responsive driving. Number 4. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot is a strong option for families looking for a dependable SUV with space for up to 8 passengers. Prices start at $41,650 and go up to $56,000 for the Black Edition, making it more affordable than many other 3-row SUVs. Annual repair costs are estimated at around $542, which is low for a vehicle of its size. It features a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 285 horsepower and 200 262 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This setup is built for long-term durability, and many owners report going over 200,000 miles with few issues. Honda's large network of dealerships across the United States makes parts and service easy to access and reasonably priced. The Pilot includes a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, making it a smart choice for long-term use. Number 5. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX blends luxury features with the trusted reliability of Toyota engineering, making it one of the most dependable choices among luxury SUVs. It is priced between $42,000 and $55,000, and according to RepairPal, its average yearly maintenance cost is about $570, which is reasonable for a vehicle in this class. Because it shares many parts with proven Toyota models, especially in the hybrid versions, the NX is built to last, with many owners going well beyond the warranty period without major repairs. It comes with a 4-year or 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering solid protection. Lexus also has a wide dealership network, which helps keep service convenient and affordable. Engine options include a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 203 horsepower, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with 275 horsepower, and a hybrid version with a combined output of 240 horsepower, all designed to balance performance, efficiency, and durability. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a trusted option for anyone needing a dependable SUV for both off-road use and everyday driving. It starts at $42,200 and can go into the mid-$50,000 range. While not the cheapest, it offers strong long-term value due to its low ownership costs. Annual repair expenses are around $514, which is impressive for a rugged body-on-frame SUV. It comes with a 4-liter V6 engine that produces 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This setup is built for long-lasting performance, with many owners reaching between 250,000 and 300,000 miles through regular maintenance. The 4Runner also has strong safety ratings and low insurance claim rates, helping keep insurance premiums reasonable. It holds its value well, retaining over 60% of its resale price after 5 years. It includes a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Number 7. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is a dependable and flexible SUV, well-suited for bad weather and long-distance driving. It is priced between $30,000 and $40,000 and comes with standard all-wheel drive, giving it strong capability in rough conditions. Annual maintenance costs are about $600, which is reasonable for a vehicle of its size and features. Many owners report driving well beyond 200,000 miles with few issues, thanks to its strong engine and transmission design. It consistently earns high reliability scores from Consumer Reports, and its resale value remains strong over time. The Outback comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, providing solid coverage. Engine choices include a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 182 horsepower or a 2.4-liter turbocharged version with 260 horsepower, both using a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient performance. Number 8. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is a smart option for anyone looking for a dependable SUV with outstanding warranty coverage. It is priced between $27,000 and $38,000 and stands out with a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, one of the best in the industry. Annual maintenance costs are about $490, which is lower than average for compact SUVs. The Tucson's naturally aspirated and hybrid engines are built to be long-lasting and avoid common problems that often appear at higher mileage. It has earned strong reliability ratings from sources like Consumer Reports. Hyundai's expanding service network in the United States also makes it easy to maintain. Engine options include a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 187 horsepower or a hybrid system with a combined output of 226 horsepower, both offering dependable performance and good fuel efficiency. Number 9. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is an affordable and dependable SUV, ideal for buyers who want reliability without spending too much. It is priced between $23,000 and $30,000 and has low yearly maintenance costs of around $450, according to RepairPal. Thanks to Toyota's trusted engineering, many owners reach over 200,000 miles with just regular upkeep. It earns high marks for reliability and benefits from Toyota's wide service network across the United States, helping keep maintenance simple and affordable. The Corolla Cross is covered by a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, making ownership low stress. It uses a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 169 horsepower and achieves up to 32 miles per gallon in combined driving, balancing solid performance with great fuel efficiency. Number 10. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX, made by Honda's luxury division, is a dependable SUV that often proves more reliable than many German luxury models. It is priced competitively and has an average yearly repair cost of about $590, which is lower than most mid-sized luxury SUVs. The MDX uses a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and consistent performance. Thanks to its durable Honda-based parts, many owners report going beyond 150,000 miles without major problems. It comes with a 4-year or 50,000-mile basic warranty and a 6-year or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering a mix of premium comfort and long-term reliability without the high cost of repairs.